Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen here. I hope you are having a sublime day. Today is the first in a three-part series on salsa. Summer's heating up and salsas are on our mind. So today's salsa is going to be fruit-based. In fact, all three salsas in the series are fruit-based. Today's salsa will be spicy pineapple strawberry salsa. So let's go look at our ingredients. For this salsa, you will need 2 cups of pineapple chopped. You'll need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of jalapeno. If you'd like it a little less spicy, add a little less. If you'd like a little bit more spicy, add a little bit more. You need about 2 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, chopped. Juice of half of a lemon, half of a lime. Half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a cup of red onion chopped into finely minced pieces, and you'll need about 5 to 6 strawberries chopped into cubes, and that's it. So we have finished cubing 1/2 of the pineapple, and that's about all we need for this salsa. So we're going to move on to the strawberries. Jalapeno. Your raw garlic cloves. Red onion is chopped, and we are almost ready to assemble. But since I happen to have a bit of cilantro in the house, I'm actually going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of cilantro to this mixture. That'll just make it a bit more vibrant. All of our ingredients are chopped. We're going to place them in a bowl, gently mix them together, and you've got your salsa. And last, we mix in our lime juice, and that is it. You have got a beautiful, spicy pineapple strawberry salsa. And that's your spicy pineapple strawberry salsa. It can be served in the bowl, or it can be served directly in the pineapple for a cutesy presentation. This is fabulous with meats, it's fabulous with fish, and it goes amazing with your avocado toast as a side. So make it, enjoy. Hello, beautiful people, it's Karen. That was the spicy pineapple strawberry salsa. If you found it interesting, if you want to make sure you don't miss the second part of the series, please hit the subscribe button. Until then, this is Karen wishing you a sublime day.